What's up, guys? It is Hayden Bradley. Welcome back. I just made it to Aspen, Colorado. We're going to be doing an insane snow adventure this week in collaboration with Insta360 and Aspen Ski Resorts. You guys stay to the end of this video. We might be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. To start things off, I am on my way up to the top mountain here at Aspen Snowmass to meet up with a couple pro snowboarders in the terrain park and get some clips. So I'll see you guys up there. Yo! What's up, man? See you. You too, brother? You guys ready to swim it? Oh, yeah. These are the boys helping Phil. Thanks for helping out, boys. Let's get her done.
Let's see how you doing the pressure. I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the Highlands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Put this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Oh, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition, we just turn the field into...
Well, that was a sick session. Now that we're on our next adventure, we're going to be driving through some mountains, so might as well get some epic shots on the way. We got some car mounts right here, the 3-section car mount, and then we got the single suction right here. And then yeah, we'll get creative with it. I'll see you guys there. All right, we just made it to our next location. Got the sleds and deep in the backcountry. Got some trails to get us to our spots we need to go. Got the X4s on some mounts. We're gonna hook up around the sleds, go get some cool powder shots. Let's get it. Woo! All right, let's get it, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro, that was sick. Yeah, I think it's time to head back to the mountain, go stretch some gnar.
Let's do it, bro.
We just made it to Highlands. About to go hit the bowl. It's about an hour or so hike. Going from Florida to Colorado. Altitude's a little adjustment.
12,392 feet and about 1,000 for elevation gain.
I did not train enough for today, but we're gonna send it anyways.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, we're about a third of the way. How you doing?
Chilling.
Only a little farther to go. Wow. How you boys feeling? Well, boys, we made it.
Cheers.
Made it to the top.
Let's go, baby.
All right, let's get it. Oh God. We might need a little break. Alright guys, if you made it this far, it is your lucky day to get entered into this amazing giveaway. It's been an insane week here in Aspen. So many adventures and good conditions for the most part with Insta360 and Aspen Ski Resorts. We're going to give away one Insta360 X4 and with your choice of the snowboard bundle or the ski bundle, depending on which you do, and 2 lift tickets. And you could use those at any of the mountains here in Aspen for this season or next, depending on when you decide to go. So I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Description down below on how to get entered. Stay tuned. Peace. Pew.